Hello everyone, welcome back. Now we are going to work on our second IC for today. This would be using Assert in Backup. So you will be revisiting your old linksolve.py. The linksolve.py has a little bit of issues in terms of lacking sanity check for the arguments and for the entire code as well. So for example, you want to make sure the matrix passed to backsub is a square. In order to do that, we can use the assert statement that we learned today. And also, we want to make sure there's no division by zero happening in our code. So we can also have an assert statement over there. For each assert statement, we wanted to include a useful message explaining what happened. Okay, so now let's get started. This is a backup with a little bit level of docstring, but obviously, if you look at the backup, it does not have any check for for the LU fact to be square. So if a LU fact is a rectangular matrix, it can be also passed to backsub. Okay, but we don't want that to happen. So the first thing we want to do is we wanted to make sure the LU fact is a square. To do that, we can just check, just make sure the shape of LU fact, just by checking the first argument, first two argument of LU fact dot shape are equal. Okay, if it's not, we're going to print out the message saying that LU fact is not a square. Okay. All right. The second task is to make sure, adding assert statement to make sure there's no division by zero. Okay, so where could it happen? This line 50 is the only place where it could happen, because we divide by the LU fact I comma I. All right, so how should we do that? Well, we want to do that obviously before that happened. If it happened, then why are we doing this at all? But we want to make sure it does not happen. So we need to add an assert statement before that. We want to say the LU fact I comma I is going to be larger than 1e minus 15. This is not enough, because what if LU fact is a negative? Oh well, it is -5. Then it's okay, but it will fail. The other statement will fail. So what we actually want is we want absolute value of that to be larger than 10 to the power of minus 15. What if it does not happen? The message would be LU fact diagonal element on LU fact is too small. Oh, just says in near zero. Okay. Some diagonal element is near zero. Okay. All right. That's it. I think this completes the our second ICE.